Alright, start that again. Okay, so crowns. So we're starting with another Prepoo video. We have an egg, one whole egg, 2 teaspoons of mayo, a teaspoon of coconut milk. I have almond, mint oil, honey, another teaspoon of that. I'll say like a tablespoon of, actually a tablespoon of honey, a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and another tablespoon of almond oil. We're gonna blend this up. Oh, and can't forget my fresh aloe vera. I cut that up, peeled the green part off the outside, and I just took a spoon and kind of just scored the inside and put it inside the blender. Okay, so we're gonna blend this up and get some of the peel, but it's okay. I can always take that out with my hand. That's a decent amount. I'll reuse all this. Hello, lovely crowns. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with a quick video. Well, somewhat quick. I want to show you guys what I do after I've been sick for a couple days, or like say I just haven't done my hair for like a week or whatever, and I haven't braided it. It's not been in a wig, it's just out, and I didn't do any styles. As you can see, it's dry. To the appearance it looks dry, but honestly there's a lot of moisture in my hair. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what I do to detangle, what I'm using at the moment to wash, and the whole nine. So stay tuned and keep watching. So like I said, I've had this setting for a little bit, so I just have my Prepoo mixture here. All of this is decent size for my big head. Okay, so to start off, all you're actually going to do is section off your hair. You can either clip your hair like I did in the beginning, or use ponytail holders. It's funny, I have like a whole set. Ask me whenever I'm starting to do something, where are the things? Not here. I guess I'll start on that side. So just gonna be resourceful. Use that one since we're going to. I always start on my I always start in the back, and I always start on from right to left. I don't know why, but it just feels right. Okay, this is what it's looking like. Oh, let's not do that. It's looking like right now. Okay, very compact, matted. Doesn't look moisturized like I said, but there is oil. My Blue Magic Sure Grow oil is in there. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna go through and you're literally, I can't zoom in, I'll figure it out. You're just going in and finger detangling your hair. You go in sections, whatever feels right to you. I kind of like glide my hair, or glide my thumb through the section and like pull apart. Other hands. But when it's like this, I can't really do anything. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and take it. Now, it's not as thick as my other concoction because I didn't put any conditioner. There's no thick, creamy ingredients in this. Got some in here. I'm gonna section off this part. Again, roughly, however you can. I clip that off. Start with that. It is very thin, but when you feel it, the honey is very hydrating. I can feel the moisture. I just want my curls to feel and look the way they're supposed to. And you're just trying to run it through your hair. And like I said, this happens to me a lot because with my stomach issues, I tend to be out for days, and going from the shower to to laying down and then going back in the shower. The hot, cold, the heat will definitely make my hair shrink. And this is just what I'm left with if my hair is not in cornrows. All right, so as you can see, nice and easy to glide through. So what I'm gonna do is just take a little more, pick out all those dead ends. I just want to be sure my hair is fully saturated in this. There you go. And this is what we want. Nice slip, able to rake through. You can feel your dead ends coming off and dead hair. Just pull that through. And you're good to go. Oh, 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 and it's gone. It's gone. I do have a towel here in my lap that I continuously wipe my hands on, because I do not like the feeling of hair, or you don't want dead hair, honestly, on your hands while you're going through stuff. Even with your combs, while you're combing through your hair, always take off the dead hair. You don't want to put that back into your new growth and damage anything that's going on. As you can see, it's a little twist, and you go on to your next section. Just like my other video on my Prepoo, on my other homemade Prepoo, sorry. It's the same method. Okay, I'm back. So I'm at my last section. I want you to see the difference. So this is without the product, and this is with my little mixture, and you can already see how juicy they look, you know what I mean? Well moisturized. They don't look oily, but they look saturated. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead, do the same thing. This is how much of my concoction I have left. Not bad. So what I've been doing for the front is actually just pouring it like on however I can. I found that this is a little easier and helps me to get it everywhere I need it to go. Don't make a mess. Part's a little tricky. I don't know where that went, but I don't know where it was supposed to go. Okay, and then just do a little bit more in my actual buff. If you had yogurt, it's a nice stabilizer in there too. To make it a little thicker, could add that in, but I am not a yogurt person. I do not like yogurt. Okay, as usual, I'm looking at my mirror, looking at the camera, making sure this thing's not even straight. It's all right. You guys are rocking with me. So, okay, so we're gonna split this part into two and just tie that, clip that off. Okay, same thing again. Try to detangle, finger detangle as much as possible. So take your wide tooth comb and start from ends, work your way up. As you can already see, nice and easy to glide through. Stairs. Okay, so the section is too wide. Just split it off, but it's not going to be perfect again, but it's okay. Add a little more if you feel like you need to. The honey helps hold that moisture in, so it may look like it's drying out, but it is not. And you're just going to twist. Get close to your ends, comb through. Sorry guys. And voila. And keep doing that for each section. weather's starting to get nicer, so I'm gonna go back to washing my hair every week. I kind of was giving it a break and just doing it every 2 weeks, especially because it was COVID. I wasn't really going anywhere and winter, but now, like I said, the weather getting better, sun's coming out. I will be washing my hair every week. Okay, and that's it, you guys. So it's all in there. If you want to be a little extra, you can add some more, but because, like I said, it's not a thick consistency, I'm not going to add any more in there. It's already well taken care of, as you can see, nice and moisturized. It's not dripping or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is grab my plastic, probably an hour and a half.